No man loves without reason. Almost no one. What they call love is trade. Use for use. You are wanted only while you are useful. And when you are not, you are discarded. That is not cruelty. That is transaction. And for those who speak of friendship, understand, it is the same transaction, dressed with softer words. Friends are not eternal, they are temporary allies. Even the longest friendships survive only while interests remain aligned. Allies in hunger, allies in fear. They sit at the table only while the meal lasts. And when their hunger changes, when their fear shifts, their loyalty shifts too. Do not call it betrayal. Betrayal suggests surprise. But there is no surprise here. This is the nature of men. They trade loyalty for bread, for coin, for the sound of their own breath. Only fools take it personal. The wise, they expect it. They prepare for it. They build with it in mind. So when it comes, it does not cut deep. And so, if loyalty bends and love expires, who remains? Only yourself. The only loyalty that does not break is the one you owe to yourself. Your eyes, your hands, your mind. Any man who trusts another more than himself has already signed his own ending. But do not mistake this truth. Walking with only yourself carries weight. Clarity is not crowded. It is a lonely road. And loneliness is misunderstood. It is not punishment. It is power. It sharpens the mind, makes you hear what the crowd drowns out. The crowd wants morality. They want rules to bind you, words to shame you. But morality is not truth. It is a tool. The weak use it to chain the strong. The strong use it to control the weak. Either way, it is never about truth. So strip it all down. What remains? When love fades, when loyalty bends, when morality shifts with the wind, what remains is position, awareness, timing, the law of survival.